Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your travel insurance with Allianz, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your travel insurance with Allianz, start by visiting their official website. Once the home page loads, look for the travel insurance section. Click on the link to explore the different insurance plans available. Take your time to compare the coverage options for each plan. Consider your specific travel needs, such as trip duration and activities planned. Next, select the insurance plan that best suits your requirements. You may be asked to enter your travel details, including destination and travel dates. Fill in the requested information carefully to get an accurate quote. After entering your details, review the coverage limits and exclusions for your chosen plan. If you have any questions, utilize the customer service chat feature or call their support line. Once you're satisfied with your selection, proceed to the quote page. Here, you can review the total cost of your insurance coverage. If you're ready to purchase, click on the Get a Quote button. You'll then need to provide personal information, such as your name and address. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Review your details before proceeding to payment. Choose your preferred payment method for the premium. Once payment is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Make sure to save this email for your records. If needed, download or print your insurance policy directly from the website. Keep a copy of your insurance policy during your travels for easy access. Should you need assistance while traveling, consult your policy for claims procedures. Following these steps will ensure you have the right coverage for your trip with Allianz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.